Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom in Vivid Black. The swept-back bars are really comfortable. We've got this nice double silver pinstriping that carries all the way through. And that 1200 engine with some blacked out Vance and Hines. This bike sounds great. Adjustable shocks. Nice little sissy bar. The seat is really comfortable. I really like these mini floorboards too. Way more comfortable than pegs, but they're not so bulky to where it's an entire floorboard. And we also have these chromed mag wheels. Front and rear, they look really nice. Again, 2016 Sportster 1200 Custom. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.